Once upon a time, in a wide green meadow filled with sunshine and flowers, there lived two very good friends, Munnu the rabbit and Sullu the turtle. Munnu was quick and bouncy, always hopping and racing everywhere. But Sullu, he was calm and slow, enjoying every little thing around him. They were different, but they liked each other just the same. One bright sunny morning, a clever fox named Challu walked into the meadow. He had shiny orange fur and eyes that sparkled with mischief. He smirked and said to Munnu, I know where the sweetest, juiciest carrots grow, but only the fastest one can find them. Munnu's ears perked up. The fastest? That's me, he said proudly. Then Challu turned to Sullu the turtle. With a sly smile, he whispered, Actually, the best carrots only grow for the most patient creature. Only someone calm and wise can find them. Sullu nodded slowly. Then maybe I can find them, he said kindly. And just like that, Munnu dashed off toward the east, hopping as fast as his paws could go. Sullu began walking slowly toward the west, step by careful step. Challu the fox watched them go and grinned an evil little grin. Munnu hopped and hopped. He looked everywhere, under trees, behind bushes, across hills. But there were no carrots anywhere. He sat down, tired and sad. Maybe I'm not the fastest after all, he whispered. Meanwhile, Sullu kept walking and walking. He searched for the secret carrot place, but he couldn't find it either. Maybe patience isn't enough, he sighed. When they both returned to the middle of the meadow, guess who was there? Yes, Challu the fox, sitting under the sun, crunching on a big, bright, juicy carrot. He laughed and said, You both failed. The carrots were right here all along. Munnu and Sullu looked at each other. They suddenly understood what had happened. He tricked us, said Munnu. He made us compete instead of helping each other, added Sullu. So from that day on, they decided to work together. Munnu used his speed to spot the best carrots around the meadow, and Sullu used his patience to pull them out carefully without breaking even one. They became the perfect team, fast and wise. And ever since that day, Munnu and Sullu shared every carrot they found. They laughed, played, and never let Challu the fox fool them again. Because they had learned something